Did you know your colon could be holding pounds of waste that make you feel tired, bloated, and foggy every single day? For years, many older adults have assumed it's just part of getting older, the fatigue, the heavy belly, that loss of energy that keeps you from enjoying your life the way you used to. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way, and the answer is much simpler than you think? Let me tell you about Marjorie, a 68-year-old grandmother from Clearwater, Florida. For months, she'd been struggling to fit into her favorite blue dress. No matter what she ate or didn't eat, she felt uncomfortable and puffy. Her energy was so low she could barely keep up with her grandkids at the park. One morning she was chatting with her neighbor, who shared a little tip, a simple drink Marjorie could make at home. Just 3 ingredients she already had in her kitchen. Honestly, she didn't expect much. But within a few days, she started to feel different. Her belly softened. Her mood lifted. And when she slipped back into her blue dress, she felt like herself again. If you've been feeling heavy, bloated, or just not quite yourself lately, keep listening, because in just a few minutes you'll learn exactly how to make this easy morning drink and how it can help flush pounds of excess bloat from your body starting tomorrow. You see, most people never think much about their colon. It's out of sight, out of mind. But your colon plays a much bigger role in your health and energy than you might imagine. Some doctors even call the colon your second brain because it's connected directly to your nervous system and your immune system. When your colon is weighed down with toxins, waste, and undigested food, it doesn't just upset your digestion. It can actually drain your energy, cloud your thinking, and weaken your body's natural defenses. That's why so many people who feel old before their time are really just struggling with a sluggish colon. The fatigue, the stubborn belly, bloat, the foggy mind, these can all be signs that your digestive system needs a little help. Believe it or not, this isn't new knowledge. As far back as ancient Greece, people understood that cleansing the colon could give them more vitality, clearer thinking, and a healthier body overall. They would use herbs and natural foods to help rid their bodies of excess mucus and waste. Today, our modern lifestyles with processed foods, refined sugars, and stress make it even harder for our colons to keep up. Even something as simple as honey isn't what it used to be. Many of the honey jars on grocery store shelves are stripped of the vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that make honey so healthy. Regular honey is heated, filtered, and often mixed with high fructose corn syrup or treated with chemicals. That's why it stays smooth and runny, but inside your body it doesn't nourish you the way nature intended. When toxins and waste build up in your colon, it slows everything down. You may notice your belly feels swollen even in the morning. You might feel heavy and tired no matter how much you rest. You might get more headaches, feel foggy, or gain weight, even though your diet hasn't changed much. It's not your fault, but you don't have to live that way anymore. Here's the good news. You don't need anything fancy or expensive to give your colon the gentle reset it needs. Just a few minutes each morning and 3 simple ingredients you can find in your own kitchen. Let me walk you through it step by step. First thing in the morning, before you eat anything, brew about 8 ounces of warm water. You can use a tea kettle or even the microwave. The water should be warm but not too hot to drink. This helps wake up your digestion and get things moving. Next, add 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Be sure to look for a bottle labeled raw and unfiltered. The cloudy look at the bottom of the bottle is called the mother, and that's what contains the proteins, enzymes, and healthy bacteria your gut needs. Then stir in 1 full tablespoon of raw organic honey. This part is very important. Regular honey is not the same as raw honey. Most regular honey sold in stores has been processed, heated, and stripped of its good nutrients. What you're looking for is raw organic honey, which has a thick, even clumpy texture and a USDA organic label. That kind of honey is full of enzymes, antioxidants, and even has natural antiviral and antifungal properties. Once you've mixed it all together, just sip it slowly. Let it warm your belly and wake up your body. That's it. This simple drink works because of the unique way these 3 ingredients come together. The warm water softens waste and rehydrates your body after a night's sleep. The apple cider vinegar supports healthy bacteria in your gut, balances your body's pH, and helps break down waste more effectively. And the raw honey nourishes you with natural energy, soothes inflammation, and helps fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. When you combine them, you create a perfect storm of natural cleansing, nourishment, and balance. And that's why so many seniors who try this say they feel lighter, clearer, and more energetic within just a few days. You might be wondering why it's so important to use raw, unfiltered ingredients. Well, that's where all the natural goodness lives. Processing and heating may make food look prettier on a shelf, but it strips away the very things your body needs. The enzymes, the good bacteria, the natural healing properties, they're only found in the real raw versions. Now, how do you make this new habit stick? The secret is to make it part of your morning routine. Keep your apple cider vinegar and your jar of honey right on the counter where you'll see them. Leave your tablespoon out next to your mug or kettle the night before. That way, when you step into the kitchen in the morning, it's the first thing you see, and you'll remember to make it before breakfast. Many people find that this quiet little ritual becomes something they look forward to each day. You can sip it while reading the paper or watching the sunrise. It's a gentle, healthy way to start the day. No crash, no sugar rush, no discomfort. Most people begin to notice small changes within the first week. Less bloat, a flatter belly, a little more spring in your step. And once you feel those changes, it's easier to stay motivated to keep going. It's really about giving yourself a small moment of care each morning. A reminder that you deserve to feel good, to feel light and comfortable in your own body. So now you know the secret. Just 3 simple ingredients, a few quiet minutes each morning, and you can help your body flush away pounds of bloat, feel lighter, and reclaim the energy you deserve. You've spent your life taking care of others. Now it's time to take care of yourself. Starting with this gentle, natural habit. Why not try it tomorrow morning, then come back and share your experience? Leave a comment and tell us how it worked for you, or pass this along to a friend who's been feeling tired or bloated too. Because you deserve to feel balanced, healthy, and young at heart. Start tomorrow and see just how good you can feel again.